On the Sony A7 IV, to set picture profiles, all you have to do is press the FM buttons. This is the function menu. Once we are in here, what we can do is go into here. So this says picture profiles, so we could just click on it. There we go. So then we go into a lot of different settings, plus we get custom settings in here as well. So I'm going to run through from the top what each of these are. So PP1 is an example of using movie gamma, so it's a balanced setting. Then PP2 is still gamma with higher contrast. Then PP3 and PP4 is a setting that uses standard gamma and matrix for broadcast-like settings. And then PP5 and 6 is Cine 1 and 2 gamma. So you get a soft cinematic looking picture profile right here. And PP7 is S-Log2 gamma with a color mode of S gamut. And we use this for color grading. And then PP8 is S-Log3. So this is what a lot of people use most of the time, which is S-Log3. And then of course, PP9 is also S-Log3, but it is a little bit different from PP8. So PP8 uses S-Gamut3.Cine for color grading, and then PP9 uses S-Gamut3 for color grading. So you're not getting the cinema color grade for PP9, but for PP8, you get the color grading picture profile. So a lot of people use this for S-Log3, the PP8, over the PP9. It just depends what you are looking for specifically. And then we go to PP10, which is more HDR, which is, high definition settings. And then we go into PP11, which is S-Cinetone gamma. So that is a good out of camera look. So we can actually go further into this by pressing the ISO button right here, and then you can get into more advanced settings right here and customize your saturation, your color phase, color depth, and detail. So this is where you can get more in depth into these settings right here, and even change the gamma profile right here. So you can get creative and actually set this to S-Log3 if you really wanted to. You can go kind of crazy here. So that's a lot of fun. And then when you finish, you can just press the menu button, or you can trash, essentially. So that's how you can sort of get back into those settings, just by pressing the menu button by going back. That's all you have to do. Great. So let's say we want to have a look at PP8. And that has S-Log3, and as you can see, I actually customized this setting for someone in particular. So I did +4 in saturation, set the color mode. So that's what I was talking about before with the difference between PP7 and PP8. So PP8 was using S-Gamut3 for color grading, but you can actually just set this to S-Gamut3, and you can even set this to black and white or all these other settings. So that's how you get into your different color modes, for example. And then you can customize that way. And then you've got your different knee modes. You got your black gamma, and then you got your black level as well. So that's full customization right there. So that's the gist of how you can get into different picture profiles and what each of them do, and some basics right there. So I hope this video helps and goes through some basics about different picture profiles on the A7 IV. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.